Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LibreOffice on your device, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.libreoffice.org and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the download button on the home page. Click on the download button to be redirected to the download page. You will see various versions available for different operating systems. Select the version that matches your device's operating system. For Windows users, click on the Download Version button. For Mac OS users, look for the Mac OS option and click to download. Linux users should choose the appropriate package for their distribution. After selecting your version, the download should start automatically. Locate the downloaded file in your device's Downloads folder. For Windows, double-click the downloaded .msi file to start the installation. For Mac OS, open the downloaded .dmg file and drag LibreOffice to the Applications folder. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. For Linux users, follow the specific commands for your distribution to install the software. Once the installation is complete, open LibreOffice from your Applications menu. Now you can start using LibreOffice for all your document, spreadsheet, and presentation needs. Feel free to explore the different features available in the software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.